Alright guys, I am back with another video. You guys are having an amazing day, and you guys can see I am back continuing this series, Ratchet and Clank. For sure. Perfect camera angle, you guys. Make sure to like and subscribe for more of this series. It's been a long time, and what is happening? Difficulties. Okay. Alright, guys. I'll be back when I get this all situated. I don't know what the good this is or looks. But here we go. We left off on the Zeldrick Starport. And there we go. And I'm pretty sure I think we did. I don't know. It's been a while since I did this series, so. Ooh. Shit. Okay, yeah, we had to. Due to increased security, thermonuclear warheads and nail clippers are no longer permitted to carry on package. I'm so used to clicking RT to shoot. Oh crap, we should get this thing up. Ouch, you guys, that really hurt. Alright, so we haven't mined these yet. Okay. I don't know how long I'll be recording this for. To best avoid execution, please have your itinerary and 3 forms of ID visible at all times. Nope. Here's them with their big ol' fight.
I thought we agreed to put that jungle business behind us. It was mating season. How could I have known she was your sister? How long have you two been standing there?
Too long.
Too long. Well,
exactly. You guys.
Lollygagging and let's get to work. We'll use this shuttle to infiltrate the Star Cruiser undetected. Once on board, we find Nefarious and finish the job. You fellas ready?
Kind of. I call shotgun.
Hey, what are you doing? Move over. I'll drive.
No thanks. I'd rather make it there in one piece.
Stand down, soldier. This is your captain speaking.
Captain Miles. Wait, don't sit on the fight stick.
Ah!
Yeah, you guys, they're pretty crazy.
I don't like it.
Once again, my brilliant plan has caught the enemy completely unaware.
Message received. What's that, Clank? Nothing.
We'll have to split up and search the ship. Just remember, Nefarious is mine.
Unless we get to him first. Come on, Clank. Let's get some payback for Skid.
Alright, guys, let's see what we're working with. I don't know why I have that here again. Detected. Crap, you guys, I'm gonna die. Okay, I got that. Luckily, I do. Still recording, people. Oh my goodness. You guys, I'm worried about the recording of the video. Let's get this one, guys, out and bring this out. Come on, level up, gun. Level up. takes like 20 shots. There we go, you guys.
The Nitro Eruptor has a wider blast radius and simultaneously launches a volley of energy missiles with each shot.
See you guys, it's pretty crazy. I mean, not the best thing ever. Well, hey, I'm at 5 health. Yeah, I'm gonna have to start this mission again. Like, seriously, you guys. I mean, unless I do this. This is where the bolts really come in. Somewhat. They're already waiting here for me. Guys, great. Anyway, subscribe if you're new. And if you're not already subscribed, well, subscribe. And if you are still new to the channel, or wait, never mind. If you already hold on, guys, it's really deep for me right now. If you're not new to the channel, you've been around for a while, and then just like the video. Okay, guys, well now. And what shall I do? Oh, okay. I'm upgrade them. Okay. Starts the recording, guys. Okay. I need to make sure he's recording because my camera's been going crazy. Yo, I know the ending's crazy for this map, you guys. I don't want to waste too much time. Okay, you guys. Here we go.
Come in, gentlemen. We've been expecting you.
The riffraff have arrived, sir.
Captain Quark, you put on a bit of weight since last we met.
Dr. Nefarious.
Courtney Gears didn't seem to mind.
That just makes it so good, Janice. My heart is pounding like
They're like, what the heck?
This is the best part of my day.
I'll have the last laugh. I lured you here so I could witness your demise. Auto-destruct sequence initiated. Prepare to die.
Alright, guys.
Lawrence, teleport us out.
Lord.
Lawrence? This isn't funny, Lawrence! What are you waiting for? This ship
You
is
can
flying
never
second.
explore
I
the
think I spotted something important. I can't leave without it. I'll meet you back at the shuttle.
Oh, you guys, we can't mess around on this one. Crap, I forgot you guys. Oh no. the final area. It gets crazy. I'm getting out of here. Still recording.
Quark. Yeah, we must leave now. Not without Quark. You would have waited for us.
I'm not spoiling anything about Clank.
Good for him. Wait!
Y'all know he wouldn't. Clank would never do that. Guys, that is not Clank. That is the evil one. Clunk. You'll guys see what I'm talking about in Metropolis. That's still a few planets away, you guys. Okay, I might leave in off the episode after this little cutscene. You guys, it's next. He's embarrassed.
We are all very glad that you made it back safely.
Did you detect any other craft leaving the Star Cruiser? An escape pod? Another shuttle, maybe? Anything?
I'm sorry, Ratchet. We heard the whole thing over the comm. You had no choice. Captain Quark died a hero.
Und he was frolic in the fitness course unter the wee hours of the morning.
The morning. She's so depressed, you guys.
Captain Quark had so many wonderful qualities, I just don't know where to begin. Such as... Oh, okay, he was really
Sorry if I'm so shaky.
tall, and he had a unique fashion sense, and he had a really big chin with kind of a sort of a, well, you know, a butt shape. Yeah, you know, I think I've droned on long enough.
Bye.
I just heard what happened.
This is a funny part, you guys.
Quark's loss is a true
It's happening.
The man
Almost.
was a hero, brave, honest, kind, and humble to the core.
What a load of bullshit.
Captain Quark may be gone, but his indomitable spirit of heroism
It's like my
so
favorite part
I know
cutscene of the
was
game.
our fallen Captain Proud. Carry on, man.
This came in the mail for Quark.
A new Vin comic for next time, you guys.
More of the Quark Vid comic series. He wants you to have it.
Thanks, Al. You know, this could give us a clue about what Nefarious is going to do next.
Oh yeah, you guys. So we just did that. Not much of a video today. Yeah. I'll see you guys in the next video, and I'm literally controlling with one hand. Okay, guys. I'm gonna go. See you in the next one.